Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting supercars coming out in 2026, the Porsche 911 Turbo S. This model has always been a benchmark in the sports car world, and Porsche has taken things up another notch for this generation. What makes the Turbo S so special is how it blends everyday usability with blistering performance. And the 2026 model continues that tradition with even sharper design, more advanced tech, and unbelievable power. Let's start with the exterior. The 911 silhouette is iconic, and Porsche has kept that timeless shape while making subtle refinements for the 2026 Turbo S. The front fascia has a more aggressive bumper design with larger, active air intakes that adapt to driving conditions, improving both aerodynamics and cooling. The LED matrix headlights are slimmer and give the car a sharper, more futuristic look. Moving to the side, you'll notice the signature wide rear arches that house larger wheels, with optional center lock alloys borrowed from the GT division. The profile is low, sleek, and muscular, reminding you that this is no ordinary 911. At the rear, Porsche has integrated a full-width LED light bar, an automatically deploying rear wing, and quad exhaust outlets that announce the car's presence before you even see it. Overall, the design is evolutionary rather than revolutionary, but that's the Porsche way, refining perfection year after year. Stepping inside the 2026 Turbo S, you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. Porsche has gone with a cleaner dashboard layout featuring more digital surfaces, but without losing the driver-focused spirit of the 911. The main instrument cluster is fully digital, with customizable displays that can show performance data, navigation, or even track telemetry. The central infotainment system has grown in size, with faster response times and seamless integration with smartphones, plus Porsche's latest voice assistant for hands-free control. Materials are top-tier. Leather, Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber trims are all available, depending on how sporty or luxurious you want your configuration. The seats are heavily bolstered yet comfortable enough for long journeys, and there's even decent luggage space, making this car surprisingly practical for a supercar that does 0 to 60 in the blink of an eye. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Turbo S earns its name. Under the rear deck lid sits a revised 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, producing around 650 horsepower and over 800 newton-meters of torque. Power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission to all four wheels via Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system. The result? A 0 to 60 mile-per-hour sprint in just about 2.5 seconds and a top speed north of 205 miles per hour. Those numbers put it right up there with hypercars that cost 3 times as much. But what's truly remarkable is how easy it is to drive at the limit. Porsche's chassis engineering is unmatched, with adaptive suspension, rear axle steering, and torque vectoring all working seamlessly to make you feel like a professional driver. Whether you're carving up a mountain road or cruising down the highway, the Turbo S feels planted, predictable, and endlessly thrilling. Porsche has also worked on efficiency and everyday usability. The new model incorporates mild hybrid technology to reduce emissions and improve low-end torque, while maintaining that explosive top-end power. And thanks to improved sound insulation and adaptive comfort settings, the car can settle down and behave like a luxury grand tourer when you want it to. That's what makes the Turbo S so special. You can drive it daily without sacrificing comfort, yet it can deliver performance that rivals dedicated track machines. As for price, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S doesn't come cheap. But then again, no car that blends this level of engineering, prestige, and performance does. The base price is expected to start around $230,000, but with customization through Porsche's extensive options list, many buyers will easily push that figure closer to $270,000 or more. Considering what you're getting, a car that can outperform most supercars while still being comfortable, enough for everyday use, it's hard to argue against the value it delivers. So that's the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. It's powerful, it's beautiful, it's practical, and it represents the very best of what Porsche has to offer. If you want a car that can do it all, from daily commuting to track day domination, This might just be the ultimate choice.